color mixing. In a sunny clearing lived a little fox named Finn. Finn loved to paint, but he only had 3 pots of paint: a bright red, a brilliant yellow, and a deep blue. He wanted to draw the green grass and the trees all around him. He dipped his brush in the blue, then in the yellow, but nothing worked to create green. "Oh dear," he sighed. Perched on a branch just above, Hazel the owl had been watching everything. With a silent flap of her wings, she landed gently beside him. "Don't worry, Finn," she said in a soft voice. "You already have all the colors you need. Try mixing a little of your yellow with a little of your blue on your palette." Finn, intrigued, dipped his brush into the yellow pot, then into the blue pot. He mixed the 2 colors on his palette. Slowly, a new color appeared. "Green!" exclaimed Finn, overjoyed. He immediately began to paint grass and leaves on his canvas. His drawing was finally starting to look like the forest. "And what happens if I mix red and yellow?" asked Finn, growing very curious. "Try it and see," advised Hazel. Finn mixed the red and yellow and saw a bright orange appear, like the evening sun. He painted a beautiful orange flower in the middle of his green grass. "Only 1 mix left," thought Finn. He took some blue and red and created a deep, magical purple, perfect for painting some lovely wild berries. As he was admiring his work, a light summer rain began to fall, followed by a ray of sunshine. A huge rainbow spread across the sky. "Hazel," asked Finn, "who mixed the paint in the sky? I don't see any paintbrushes." Hazel smiled. "That's not paint, Finn. It's sunlight. Like magic, it holds all the colors inside it. The world is full of 2 kinds of colors, the ones you mix and the ones that hide in the light.